Welcome to Vienna Hotel Anhui Huainan Government Affairs Center South High-Speed Railway Station, where unforgettable experiences begin. Discover serenity and book your escape now by scanning the QR code or by reading the description below for booking instructions. Nestled conveniently near the South High-Speed Railway Station, our hotel effortlessly blends modern elegance with unparalleled comfort. Each meticulously appointed room and suite is a sanctuary of refined design, offering plush bedding, exquisitely curated furnishings, and state-of-the-art amenities. Stay seamlessly connected with complimentary high-speed Wi-Fi throughout the hotel, and take advantage of our express check-in and check-out services for a truly effortless experience. Our dedicated staff is committed to anticipating your every need, providing exceptional service that transforms every moment into a cherished memory. Begin your day with a delightful complimentary breakfast, savoring a range of culinary creations in a setting of understated sophistication. For ultimate convenience, we offer secure luggage storage, allowing you to explore the city without constraints. Should you require it, our efficient laundry service ensures your wardrobe remains impeccable. Within our walls, you'll discover a haven of tranquility, a place where every detail is thoughtfully considered to create an atmosphere of pure indulgence. Immerse yourself in the art of sophisticated travel, where exceptional service and refined surroundings converge. Allow us to orchestrate a stay that transcends the ordinary, leaving you with lasting impressions. Remember, a world of luxury and convenience is just a click away. Scan the QR code now to book your exquisite escape at Vienna Hotel Anhui Huainan Government Affairs Center South High-Speed Railway Station.